this is Emma from Math World. Today we are going to learn how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Remember, an improper fraction is a fraction with the numerator greater than or equal to the denominator, such as 5/4, 6/6, and 9/7. A mixed number is a number which is represented by a whole number plus a proper fraction, such as 1 and 1/4 and 1 and 2/7. Improper fractions and mixed numbers can be used to represent the same amount. But do you know how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number? Now here is an example. For the improper fraction 9/4, it's like we have several pizzas. We equally divided those pizzas into 4 parts, and we get 9 parts out of those pizzas. From this picture, we can easily find that 9/4 is equal to 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 1/4. Since 4/4 is equal to 1, so 9/4 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1/4. That is 2 and 1/4. Now let's look at this equation in detail. When we convert the improper fraction 9/4 to the mixed number 2 and 1/4, we can easily find that the denominator stays the same. So the denominator for the mixed number is still 4. And the whole number 2 comes from the two fractions 4/4 and 4/4. 2 is the quotient of the numerator 9 divided by the denominator 4. And for the numerator 1, it is the remainder of the numerator 9 divided by the denominator 4. So from the above examples, we can make some conclusions. When we want to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number, the denominator stays the same, so 4 is still 4. Then we will use the numerator of the improper fraction to divide the denominator of the improper fraction. The quotient is the whole number for the mixed number, and the remainder is the numerator for the mixed number. Now let's look at more examples. For this improper fraction 25/2, we know that when we want to change this improper fraction to a mixed number, the denominator stays the same. So the denominator for the mixed number is still 2, and the whole number is the quotient of the numerator 25 divided by the denominator 2. It is 12. And for the numerator of the mixed number, it is the remainder of the numerator 25 divided by the denominator 2. It is 1. So 25/2 equals to 12 and 1/2. Now let's look at this example. For the 47/4, as we know, when we want to change the improper fraction into a mixed number, the denominator stays the same. So the denominator for the mixed number is still 4. And the whole number is the quotient of the numerator 47 divided by the denominator 4. It is 11. And the numerator of the mixed number is the remainder of the numerator 47 divided by the denominator 4. That equals 3. So 47/4 equals 11 and 3/4. This is the end of this video. If you want to see more videos about fractions such as converting mixed number to improper fraction or adding and subtracting fractions, please visit our YouTube channel Math World. We will see you next time.